Then what about the fallback plan? What if something happens during the migration and we need to go back? If you need to roll back, that is to go back to the source system before go live on the new system, that is very easy with this method because the source environment is completely untouched. We have left that preserved, so you can simply just start it up again and the users can now connect to the source database while you figure out what the problem is. If you need to fall back, if something happens after go live on the target system, how do you go back to the source system? With RMAN incremental backup, you can simply just reverse the process and do level 0 and level 1 back to the original source system, and you should be good to go. Unless you also upgraded the database. If that is the case, you need to downgrade the database and then use RMAN incremental backups back to the original source system. Unless you are also in the case where you can install the higher release Oracle Home on the old system as well. If you also converted the database into a PDB, you are most likely looking into Datapump and Golden Gate if you need to fall back to the original system. In some situations, you might also use a downgrade and transportable tablespace, but that's a more advanced fallback scenario, which we covered in a previous webinar about fallback.